In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add YouTube video to a Sendgrid. To begin, you will need to work inside your Sendgrid settings, where the email content is managed. The first thing we will do is select the Email API option. This is important because Sendgrid gives you different tools for different tasks, and the Email API area is where template and delivery options are typically organized. So on your Sendgrid dashboard, look for the option labeled Email API and select it. Next, you will want to move into Dynamic Templates. Dynamic templates are useful because they let you reuse your email layout while still customizing certain elements. When you select Dynamic Templates, you are essentially opening the space where your template files live, so you can modify them to include a YouTube video link. Take a moment to make sure you are in the right section, then go ahead and select Dynamic Templates. Now you will open your email template. This is the template that will be used to send your message to recipients. Click the template you want to edit and open it so you can make changes. As you open it, pay attention to the editor area where the email structure and blocks are shown. That is where we will add your video link. After the template opens, click the three dots and choose Edit. The three dots menu is usually where advanced actions like editing and duplicating templates are located. Selecting Edit will load the builder tools for the template, which makes it possible to add new blocks and customize the content. Once you click Edit, wait for the editor to appear so you can continue smoothly. Inside the editor, choose Build. This step matters because the Build option typically switches you into a visual or configurable layout mode. That is where you can add components, such as images, buttons, and other content blocks. Look for the Build selection in the Template Editor interface and choose it. Now you are ready to add a visual element that can point to your video. Choose an image or button block. If you are using an image, it might display a thumbnail or banner that looks like a video preview. If you prefer a button, it will give recipients a clear call to action. Either way, the goal is the same. Provide a link that opens your YouTube content. Once you add the image or button block, copy your YouTube video URL. Make sure you copy the full link exactly as it appears in your browser address bar, because the email button or image needs the correct URL to work. After copying, go back to the template editor. Next, add the video link to the image or button. In the editor, there will be a place to set the hyperlink, usually labeled as a link, URL, or destination. Paste your YouTube video URL into that link field. Then confirm that the block now points to your video. This is the part that makes the email interactive, because recipients will click the image or button to reach YouTube. After you have added the link, preview your email. Preview is essential because it lets you see how the final message will appear on a screen. While previewing, check that the image or button looks correct and that the link is in the right place. Also confirm that the content is readable and that nothing is misaligned or cut off. Finally, once you are satisfied with the preview, select Save Template. Saving is what locks in your changes, so future sends using that template include the updated link. Take a moment to ensure you save successfully and that you remain on the template you just modified. And that covers everything you need to know. You selected Email API, opened Dynamic Templates, edited your template, switched to Build, added an image or button block, pasted your YouTube URL into the link field, previewed the email, and saved your updated template.